Corydalis Blue Heron is a plant that I hadn't even discovered until 2 or 3 years ago, and it's an absolute gem. So much so, I just can't imagine not having it in my garden going forward. And I love it for so many different reasons. First of all, the flower colour is unbelievable. It's got an iridescence to it. It just pops from those beds or borders. The white throat within the tubular shaped flowers give it even more emphasis. But the two things I love even more so is you've got lovely red stems sitting behind those blue flowers that contrast amazingly. And you've got this lovely glaucous, almost coating to the foliage. So all of those characteristics play together so well. It really is an outstanding plant. And I can say it's an outstanding plant because this is a regular Chelsea Flower Show participant. So you'll see this on various stands almost every year at Chelsea Flower Show, and that's when it's at its best. So I always think Chelsea Flower Show's around about the end of May. That's when this will look great pretty much anywhere across the UK in your garden. Now, it's a real winter hardy gem. It loves a shady spot, and when you just look at the chunky size of plant you're getting and the lovely foliage here. So this is just before it's about to flower, but you've got these lovely foliages, beautiful shapes to the leaves, big chunky plants that they really do mean business. They're going to establish quickly. They're going to give you flowers year after year, and because it's a hardy perennial, they will literally come back early season every single year. In terms of where you might plant this, I've planted mine where I've got my hellebores. Now the hellebores are slightly further back in the border. This is a great thing to put in front, not only because it's a bit shorter than the hellebores, but also it will grow beautifully and flower after the hellebores are finished. So you're creating continuity. And the third thing I've got in my border with the hellebores and the Corydalis are snowdrops. So I really have planned a succession of white flowers from the snowdrops, hellebores looking amazing, and then following on with the pop of the Corydalis Blue Heron. So if you want to grow like the pros, if you want a really exceptional variety in your garden, get this Corydalis, get it planted. It will look fabulous and it will flower year after year for many, many years to come.